Why do some people build massive wealth while others struggle to stay afloat? The secret often lies not in working harder, but in mastering strategies that make money grow and work for them. Wealth creation isn't just about luck, it's about knowing how to harness financial systems to gain an advantage. A report from the St. Louis Fed underscores the wealth gap in the US, showing the stark contrast between the top 10% of households, who held an average of $6.9 million in wealth in the second quarter of 2024, and the bottom 50%, whose average wealth was just $51,000. The top 10% controlled 67% of the nation's wealth, while the bottom 50% held a mere 2.5%. This disparity highlights how resources are invested, managed, and multiplied differently across economic classes. In this video, we'll explore 22 key strategies that the wealthy use to grow their fortunes. From leveraging smart investments and tax advantages to capitalizing on exclusive opportunities, these approaches reveal how financial power is maintained and expanded. Number 1. Compound interest. Compound interest is one of the simplest yet most effective tools for growing wealth. It works when money earns returns, and those returns are reinvested, creating a cycle where gains generate even more gains. Wealthy individuals often start early, allowing their investments to benefit from decades of growth. For example, an initial investment of $100,000 earning a 7% annual return doubles roughly every 10 years, growing to over $800,000 in 30 years without additional contributions. This powerful effect helps the rich build substantial wealth with minimal effort beyond the initial investment. Number 2. Diverse investment portfolios. A key to financial security and growth is not putting all assets in one place. Wealthy individuals diversify their investments across stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative assets like private equity or fine art. This approach spreads risk, as a loss in one area is often offset by gains in another. Diversification also helps protect against economic downturns, allowing their wealth to remain stable while continuing to grow. With access to financial experts and market insights, the rich create portfolios designed for long-term success. Number 3. Real estate as a wealth builder. Real estate offers both immediate income and long-term value, making it a favored investment for the wealthy. Properties can generate steady cash flow through rental income while appreciating over time. Tax benefits, such as depreciation and deductions, reduce the overall cost of ownership, increasing profitability. Wealthy individuals often reinvest gains from one property into new ones, further expanding their portfolios. This cycle of acquiring, holding, and reinvesting in real estate builds wealth steadily while offering a layer of financial security. Number 4. Private equity and venture capital. Private equity and venture capital are exclusive opportunities that can deliver massive returns. These investments involve funding startups or acquiring shares in private companies poised for growth. While the risks are higher than traditional investments, the potential rewards can be extraordinary, as seen with early investors in companies like Uber or Airbnb. Wealthy individuals often use their networks to identify promising ventures and gain access to these deals. Over time, successful investments in private companies significantly increase their wealth. Number 5. Utilizing tax havens. Tax havens are regions or countries with favorable tax laws that allow wealthy individuals to protect their money. By holding assets in these locations, they reduce their tax burdens legally, keeping more of their earnings to reinvest. Popular destinations like the Cayman Islands or Switzerland attract billions in wealth through low or zero tax rates. While controversial, this strategy highlights how the rich use global financial systems to preserve and grow their fortunes. It also sparks debates about fairness in tax policies. Number 6. Maximizing tax deductions. Tax laws offer deductions that significantly reduce taxable income, and the wealthy are adept at using them. These include deductions for business expenses, charitable contributions, and even losses on investments. Wealthy individuals often consult tax advisors who specialize in identifying opportunities to save. This allows them to allocate more resources to wealth-building activities while keeping their tax obligations low. It's a legal and effective way to stretch their earnings further without increasing financial risk. Number 7. Capitalizing on capital gains. The tax system often rewards investment income more favorably than regular wages. Capital gains, which come from selling assets like stocks or properties, are taxed at lower rates than income earned through work. Wealthy individuals focus on building wealth through these investments, taking advantage of this difference. This not only reduces their tax burdens, but also encourages reinvestment into other high-yield opportunities. Over time, this cycle helps the rich accumulate more wealth while keeping more of what they earn. Number 8. Using leverage. Debt is not always a liability. For the wealthy, it's often a tool to build wealth. They use borrowed money to invest in income-generating assets, such as real estate or businesses, amplifying their financial power. For instance, purchasing a property with a loan allows them to earn rental income while benefiting from property appreciation. Since the returns on these investments often exceed the cost of borrowing, the strategy increases their overall wealth. Using debt wisely allows the rich to grow their assets without depleting their own resources. Number 9. Controlling operating costs. Wealthy individuals and businesses maintain strict control over expenses to maximize profitability. By identifying areas where costs can be reduced without compromising quality, they ensure that more resources are available for investments or savings. For instance, large companies often negotiate better deals with suppliers or invest in technologies that improve efficiency. On a personal level, the rich often prioritize value over unnecessary luxury in areas that don't provide a return. This focus on cost management contributes significantly to financial growth over time. Number 10. Networking with financial experts. Access to skilled professionals is a major advantage for the wealthy. They build teams of advisors, including accountants, wealth managers, and investment strategists, to guide their financial decisions. These experts bring specialized knowledge, helping to identify opportunities and avoid costly mistakes. Their advice ensures that every dollar works harder, contributing to long-term wealth accumulation. By maintaining strong relationships with financial professionals, the rich gain insights and strategies that keep their wealth growing steadily. Number 11. Building and scaling businesses. Entrepreneurship is a major driver of wealth for many affluent individuals. They create businesses that solve problems or meet consumer demands, scaling these ventures to increase profitability. Once established, successful businesses generate consistent income and can often be sold for substantial sums. Many wealthy entrepreneurs reinvest their earnings into other ventures, creating additional streams of revenue. This cycle of building, scaling, and reinvesting allows business owners to grow their wealth exponentially over time. Number 12. Monetizing intellectual property. Intellectual property, such as patents, copyrights, and trademarks, is a valuable asset that generates ongoing revenue for the wealthy. Innovations, creative works, and branding become income streams through licensing agreements or royalties. For example, a patent for a groundbreaking product can provide payments for years without requiring additional work. Similarly, trademarks protect unique brands, ensuring exclusive rights to profit from their use. This system turns creativity and ideas into financial assets that contribute significantly to wealth growth. Number 13. Mergers and acquisitions. The wealthy often grow their influence and assets through mergers and acquisitions. This involves purchasing companies to expand operations, enter new markets, or gain access to valuable resources. These transactions can lead to substantial returns by increasing the profitability and reach of their business holdings. Acquiring underperforming companies at a lower cost and improving their operations is a common strategy. Over time, this method of growth strengthens financial stability while creating new opportunities for wealth generation. Number 14. Exploiting economic cycles. Economic cycles present opportunities that the wealthy are uniquely positioned to take advantage of. During downturns, when asset prices drop, they often have the resources to purchase undervalued stocks, properties, or businesses. As the economy recovers, these investments tend to appreciate, leading to substantial gains. For instance, many affluent investors acquired properties during the 2008 financial crisis, and sold them later at much higher prices. This ability to act during challenging times amplifies their long-term financial success. Number 15. Benefiting from government policies. Government policies frequently create conditions that favor wealth accumulation for the rich. Tax reforms, subsidies, and economic incentives often provide advantages for those with significant assets or businesses. For example, tax cuts for corporations or capital gains reductions disproportionately benefit high net worth individuals. Programs aimed at stimulating economic growth can also create lucrative opportunities, such as contracts for infrastructure projects. These policies allow the wealthy to strengthen their financial position while reinvesting in growth-focused initiatives. Number 16. Lobbying for favors. The rich often use their financial power to influence legislation and policies that align with their interests. Lobbying efforts allow them to shape laws that protect their businesses, reduce their tax obligations, or open new opportunities for profit. For instance, industries like technology, finance, and healthcare often advocate for regulatory changes that benefit their bottom line. While this strategy is contentious, it underscores how the wealthy leverage influence to maintain and expand their financial advantages. Number 17. Intergenerational wealth transfer. Passing wealth to future generations is a key focus for many affluent families. Trusts, wills, and estate planning tools ensure assets are preserved and transferred efficiently, minimizing tax obligations. Wealthy individuals often establish family offices to manage their finances and provide guidance for younger generations. This creates a framework that protects assets while instilling financial literacy. Over time, these practices help maintain and grow wealth, allowing families to build enduring legacies. Number 18. Setting up trusts. Trusts are a financial tool that allows the wealthy to manage and protect their assets. These legal arrangements ensure that wealth is distributed according to specific wishes, often bypassing costly taxes and legal complications. Trusts can also provide a steady income for beneficiaries, preserving the principal amount for future generations. Many high net worth individuals use them to fund educational expenses or philanthropic activities. This strategy ensures that wealth is not only protected, but also used strategically to support long-term goals. Number 19. Access to superior education. Education plays a crucial role in building and maintaining wealth, and the wealthy often invest heavily in top-tier learning opportunities. Elite schools and universities provide access to high-quality education, influential networks, and specialized knowledge. These institutions prepare the next generation of wealthy individuals for leadership roles in business, technology, and other fields. Ongoing education through executive programs and certifications also keeps wealthy professionals at the forefront of their industries. This focus on education ensures they remain competitive and capable of expanding their wealth. Number 20. Leveraging insider knowledge. Access to information not widely available gives the wealthy a significant edge in decision-making. Their connections within industries provide insights into trends, opportunities, and potential risks before others can act. This allows them to make informed decisions about investments, business strategies, or market shifts. While the misuse of such information can cross legal boundaries, having advanced knowledge often helps them avoid losses and capitalize on lucrative opportunities. This advantage further solidifies their financial position. Number 21. Long-term thinking. Wealthy individuals often prioritize strategies that focus on long-term success rather than short-term gains. They carefully plan their investments, businesses, and financial decisions with a vision that spans years or even decades. This perspective allows them to endure temporary setbacks and take advantage of opportunities that require patience. For instance, holding stocks for decades allows them to benefit from market growth and compounding returns. This mindset plays a significant role in creating sustainable wealth. Number 22. Risk management. Managing risks effectively is a cornerstone of maintaining and growing wealth. The wealthy use tools like insurance, hedging, and diversification to minimize potential losses. For example, they insure valuable assets, invest in a variety of markets, and create contingency plans for financial downturns. This careful approach ensures that unforeseen events or market volatility have a limited impact on their overall wealth. By reducing risks while pursuing growth, they build a strong financial foundation that supports their long-term goals. The path to greater riches. The rich grow wealth through deliberate strategies that combine knowledge, access, and opportunity. Their ability to invest wisely, minimize risks, and leverage economic systems sets them apart in the financial world. Understanding these methods reveals the structures that sustain their financial growth and highlights the advantages they harness. While these strategies require resources and expertise, they also demonstrate principles that anyone can adopt to improve financial stability. With patience, planning, and informed decisions, building wealth becomes more achievable. The journey to greater riches begins with learning and applying these time-tested principles. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.